Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Defender if it keeps turning off automatically in Windows 11. First, check if you have another third-party antivirus program installed. Open the installed apps list in Settings, uninstall any third-party antivirus you no longer need, then restart your computer. If the problem continues, restart the Microsoft Defender service. Press the Windows key, type Services, and open the Services app. Scroll down and look for Microsoft Defender Antivirus Service. Double-click it, set the startup type to automatic if it is available, then apply the changes and restart your PC. Another solution is to reset the Windows Security app. Open Settings, go to System, then System Components. Find Windows Security. Click the three dots next to it, choose Advanced Options, scroll down and click Reset. This restores the app to its default settings without affecting your personal files. Finally, repair any damaged Windows system files. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scano. Press Enter and wait for the scan to finish. Windows will automatically repair any corrupted or missing system files it finds. Restart the computer after it finishes. Thanks for watching.